Ah, the glorious sound of a Steinway. Welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin. This is a Golden Era Steinway, 1934, and it is in such condition from the absolutely impeccable real ivory keys. And the piano has a lot of new Steinway action parts. It was restrung in the early 2000s. So it's a golden era piano that's endured the ages. The original soundboard is in beautiful condition. What a tone! I have 3 selections for you from 3 different period styles, so you can get a real feeling for what this instrument offers. I'm going to start off with the gorgeous slow movement from Bach's Italian Concerto, the first section of this. I hope you enjoy it. Such beautiful music. And when you have a piano that's impeccably regulated like this, with a rich singing sustained tone, you can really get some nuance of expression, don't you think? So another side of this, moving on to the classical era and some Beethoven. His Opus 10 No. 3 is an absolutely stupendous early sonata, and it's a 4-movement work. I'm going to play you the beginning of the Minuet and Trio, the 3rd movement for you. The action is medium weight, very fluid and responsive. The finish, by the way, in the right lighting, when it's subdued lighting, it almost looks like a satin black piano because it's a really dark mahogany. The original finish is in very good condition for its age. You could tell it's not a brand new piano, but there are no blemishes or anything of that nature. So let's end now with moving to the early 20th century with Debussy, and this is the first movement of his Children's Corner Suite, Dr. Gratis ad Parnassum. Nice, big, warm, round bass for a 5'7" parlor grand piano. Living Pianos offers free delivery anywhere in the continental US. We send a registered piano tuner to your home for a fine tuning after you get your piano, bench included. All the works, full service. Any questions about this piano or any piano questions at all, address them to me, Robert at livingpianos.com, here at your online piano store. Thanks so much for joining me.